Scaling usually breaks teams before it breaks systems. That's the shift many teams are making right now. Cell based architecture is not a new technology, it's not a framework, it's not a replacement for microservices. At its core, cell based architecture is a way of structuring systems so that the parts of the platform can operate independently even as the organization keeps growing. A cell is a self contained unit. It's with its own runtime, its data, its pipelines, and its operational boundaries. The goal is simple but hard. Limit blast radius, reduce coordination, protect teams' autonomy. What's interesting is why this approach is becoming popular now. Modern platforms are not just scaling users, they are scaling teams, domains, compliance needs, and operational complexity. At some point, shared platforms become bottlenecks. Shared pipelines slow teams down, shared ownership creates ambiguity. Cell based architecture is a response to that reality. Instead of trying to optimize one global system, team optimizes for repeatable, isolated units that can scale in parallel. That works really well in many cloud and AI native systems. This doesn't mean duplication is bad, it means intentional. Duplication is often cheaper than coordination in some scenarios, and that's the mindset shift many teams are making. Cell based architecture is gaining traction not because it's fancy, but because it's aligned with how large organizations actually scale. In the next part, we look at the core principles that make this work and where teams usually get it wrong. Follow along, and it's gonna be interesting journey.